What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now this one here we have the derivative of the following exponential function. I hope you can able to see that one. Before we solve this one, guys, I'd just like to welcome you if it's the first time watching this video on this channel. I would like to let you know, guys, that I made videos on trigonometry. I also made videos on limits, also made videos on the derivative or differentiating by the first principle and the standard derivatives as well. More videos, I'm about to make more videos on the math subject. So subscribe if you are a math fanatic or you just need math tutor on YouTube. So anyway, so let's continue. If you are coming back, welcome back. Remember, guys, you can pause this and try to differentiate this, and then after doing it, let's see if your answer is going to be the same as the one at the end of the video. Now, guys, at the end of this video, there's a playlist that will show you the derivative from the standard until this part here. So this is going to be part 11. I hope I didn't mix the parts here, but this is going to be part 11. So this one here, as you can see, is a bit different, guys. This is a bit different from the previous derivative of exponents, right? So, but it's not a problem because you need to simplify this one, guys. This is what I mean when I say simplify. Remember, when you look at exponents, let's just do exponents here. For example, if we have something like this, x, right, and then multiply by maybe x to the power of 8, right? Here we're gonna have, when the base are the same, what happen to the exponents? The exponent they're gonna add, so you're gonna have 2 plus 8, right? This is the exponent. So let's say this time around maybe we have x, then we have b, we have a, and then this is divided by x. So when the base are the same, what happens with exponents? So this they're gonna give you x, exponent they're gonna divide, well, they're gonna minus, they're gonna subtract, since the base are dividing each other. So we're gonna use this expand, we're gonna go back, so we're gonna go back on this one here. So let me just erase very quickly because I'm gonna need this space here for formula. So let's use the exponent rule to expand here. So you can say y is equal to, remember you're just simplifying, you can say e to the power of 2x multiplied by e negative 1. Now when it's like this, let's go back again. E, remember, let me just say, remember e is a number, guys. Now remember, e is a number, so e is actually equal to what? I think it's equal to 2. Let me just check the number very quickly. Guys. I don't know it by heart. I assume also don't know it by heart as well. So let's just check it very quickly so that I can write it. So e is gonna be 2,7.1 828 1828. So if this is e, then this e now is no longer it's now a constant. You guys see, it's constant. Now let's go back now. So now we can start saying, for this one we can use this formula here. We can say y is equal to k. We have the constant of a base, which is e to the power of -1, and then we can say e to the power of n, and then we have x there, right? So we will find our dy dx, right? I hope you can follow through, guys. Dy dx, you can say k, right, multiplied by n. Oh, I forgot n here, right? And then we can also say e, and then n x, and natural log e. So this is our dy de. Guys, I repeat, if you don't remember this, or if you don't know where this is coming from, I made a video, go and check it out there, where I explain these formulas for exponential equations, right, when we differentiate them, or functions. All right, so let's continue. So we need to write our unknowns. So we can say, let me write them here. We can say k in this case now is equaling to e to the power of -1. Don't forget, e, it's actually a number, guys, right? Don't forget, this is e, it's actually a number, so we can write it as k, and we can say n is 2. Now when it's like this, we are fine. So let's do our dy dx now. Dy dx. So we can say in this one, we know that this is gonna be our e to the power of -1. You know that anything to the power of -1 is gonna be 1 divided by that thing. Remember, this is the same as that, right? Still remember this. I hope you still do, right? So from there, multiply by our n. So our n here is what? It's 2, as you can see, multiplied by 2, and then this is going to give us e to the power of, now you write everything as it is then, or you write it as it is. Remember, this is the, or you're going to write it like this, you're going to write it like 2x. Remember, this is the one that we're differentiating, guys, right? 2x. Don't write 2x minus 1. Remember, -1, this is here, so it's no longer there, right? And then we say natural log e. Now if you continue, your final answer is supposed to look like this: 2 over e, and then we have e power of 2x. Remember, natural log e is equal to 1, so this we just write 1. Now this can be your answer, but if you wish to continue, you can continue here and write it like this. Remember, e, the bases are the same. You can take it back now. The bases are the same, so what happened to the exponent? So we're gonna have obviously k, our 2 here, and we have e 2x. Now this is the power of 1, so if we take it to the numerator, it's gonna be -1. So this is your final answer. Some of you might decide to change this e to a number. Now I wouldn't advise you to do that, guys. I wouldn't advise you to do that. Rather leave it like that. But if you do that, it's still fine. You can say 2. Remember, you can say, or we can now say 2 divided by e. 2 divided by e. So divide by e, and then that is going to be 0.357575888. Now you see, this is too much, right? And then e to the power of 2x. So basically, this is your answer if you decide to do it this way. But I will advise you guys to leave your answer in this form. This is the right way of doing it. Even this way is much better. This one, unless they say leave your answer into decimal point, then you can do it this way, guys. This is also fine. But I hope you guys understood what was happening here, because this one, it needed you to think a bit, right? It needed you to think a little bit, but I don't think it was much of a challenge, guys, right? As you can see, there's a lot of things that we're supposed to remind ourselves. But if you find this video useful, do not forget to like and also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget also to comment if you have anything to say. If you find an easier way to solve this, you can also comment. If it so happens that you find it helpful as well, you can also share the videos to your friends. Guys, at the end of this video, there is a playlist of these videos where I differentiate from the standard until this part here, which is part 11. So guys, thank you very much, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Cheers.